camping. If you want to see how we do it, keep on watching. First step to keto camping, flannels. All right, Ping Bing. What are we doing here? Gearing up?
We're going caveman status right here. You know, if we don't catch any fish, we ain't eating tonight. So we are hustling and bustling to try to catch some fish so that we can eat. So it's been about almost 12 hours now since I've had my last meal. So I'm kind of hungry, but I think I'm more excited about catching some fish so I can eat. So
all right,
that'd be fun.
All right, all or nothing,
all
caveman
or nothing.
status.
Exactly.
All right, mister here. What are we doing?
Oh, you know we gotta do this in comfort though. We're gonna inflate our air mattress.
Yes, sir.
We ain't seriously roughing it.
Yes, sir. Ah, there she is. Ah, she flicked water in my eye with her tail. Oh boy. Ryan, are you sore from leg day yesterday?
Yeah, I'm a little sore. Kind of hard to squat down right now.
The Asian squat. Ping, how many fish are you catching?
We're gonna catch about 10 fish. That's the goal.
10?
The more the merrier.
So about 3 per person?
Exactly.
All right.
Easy gets one. All right, hold on.
Ryan and I forgot our sleeping bags, so we're going to improvise with the blankets we have. Bringing in some snacks down to do some fishing. We got some Marcona almonds here and some Topo Chico. I think that flannel looks good on you.
Thank you.
All right, mister, why are we squatting in the shade?
We're squatting in the shade because I saw on YouTube that trout don't like warmer water and they don't like light. So if you're gonna fish, best time of day is like early or late, like around dusk, and also to go for kind of the deeper, shadier spots.
Ryan and I did leg day yesterday. We are so sore, but I want some mo. I am going to try to pick this rock up and move it over there and use it as a seat. So, Lego. Let's go, okay. Ooh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Woo! Boom! Working out in nature. It's a dirty job. Look at this guy. We had chairs. All for nothing. What do we have here?
I think we have the emergence of flannel man. Head to toe. Even my undershirt is flannel. Babe, you got a bite.
I got a bite. I got a bite.
Where'd it go?
Oh.
Oh.
Dang it.
Still got the worm on there.
All right.
All right, we're gonna recast it for you.
What's our status right now with fish?
You know, we haven't had any luck yet with fish, but it's okay. Starting to get a little bit later in the evening. Fish will eat in the evening and they eat in the morning typically. So I think it'll pick up. I think we'll catch enough fish for dinner. Otherwise, man, I'm starting to get a little hungry, but you know, that's what it is.
It's fishing.
It's fishing. You never know. You have control over fishing.
What's up, buddy?
Catch anything, Pang?
You know, just a whole lot of duds right now.
Yeah.
Not even a nibble.
Hopefully our luck will change here.
Yeah, it will. I got a good feeling about it.
How are you feeling?
Hungry. Very hungry. All right, Pang. You were out there night fishing. You were trying every chance you got. We all were.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's every fisherman has his day, you know, and it's been almost 5 years since I fished, so I'm not happy, but also not angry. Tomorrow's another day, so I've already planned out what I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. So I didn't get to eat fish tonight, but for breakfast I am, so that's the goal.
All right, Pang. We're going to open up that bacon and those eggs, and we're gonna do that tonight.
Yeah.
That's what we're
I
doing.
feel like we should.
You know why we didn't catch any fish today?
Why, Pang?
I didn't put the fish pressure, the trout pants on. Now, we're good for tomorrow.
Pang, your lucky trout pants. You didn't put it on.
Lucky trout pants, exactly.
These are Pang's infamous trout pants. If you were watching from college days, you know about these pants.
This is an amazing shit right now. OMG.
Wow. Yeah, this is it. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful sight. Guys, this is unreal. This is the dinner table, literally, tonight. We are having a rock as a dinner table. Dinner table rock. Boom, oh my goodness. Does it taste like a little bit like that bacon? That delicious campfire cast iron bacon?
Oh my god.
This is the most amazing meal
Oh my god.
I've ever had.
I can't tell where the bacon stops and where the eggs begin.
Uh-huh.
And then I have more bacon in my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Mmm.
Spectacular. Community style. Wow, wow, wow. I've never had eggs cooked like this, and this, I don't even know if I want eggs cooked any other way now. It's gotta be done over wood, coals, camping, on a cast iron. Oh. We just ruined eggs for ourselves, guys. We just ruined eggs and bacon for ourselves.
Damn it.
We done. This is what keto camping does to you. It ruins
it.
eggs and bacon for you. Ping was so determined, he woke up this morning at dusk and he said he's catching a fish. And what do you know? He caught a fish. So the ending to our camping trip, Ping is victorious. Woo!
That's a good one.
That is a great one. The moral of the story, never give up, guys. This man is a trout wearing evidence of why you should never give up. Look at this. This is beautiful.
Maybe it's the trouts too. The trout pants, right?
I think it's the trout pants, Pang.
Definitely the trout pants.
I really do. I think they see their brothers and sisters on shore and they're like, I gotta go.
Yeah.
Last night's meal. You still feel the same way?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
Man, it was that great. Probably the best meal I've ever had in my life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That setting was unreal. And the way we cooked it, right?
Oh man. Just the style of it, like just right off the cast iron.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like oil after oil after oil. Oh man, that was amazing. Like I actually want to do that more often now.
Yeah, I don't want to have eggs and bacon any other way. I feel like we ruined eggs and bacon for
We did.
ourselves.
We really did.
Oh man, we needed that win, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
It was a big win. In hindsight, I think that was what we were meant to have.
Yeah.
I know it sounds really crazy and I know it sounds woo-woo to some people, but I don't believe in coincidences, and I think that that was what we were supposed to have. And you persevering, getting up this morning, that trout that you just caught was something you were supposed to have this morning.
Exactly.
Everything was meant to be.
Everything was meant to be.
Woo! Payne caught another one. Another one. DJ Payne.
There you go.
Let's see it.
This is a brown trout.
A brown trout. Let's see
There
her.
might be a brown or a brook.
Ooh. Can you flip her, make her flatter to the camera? Oh, you can see that color. Look at that. That is a full-on trout. That's beautiful, Ping.
All right.
How you feeling, Ping?
I'm feeling like a champ. This is the Mackinaw.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
A lake trout only found in certain parts of the Americas. I
Woo!
think Oregon, California, and I believe in Michigan. I could be wrong, but lake trout, it's called, aka Mackinaw. This is actually a pretty small version of it. It's
Yeah.
a much bigger fish than this, but this is what we were aiming for, and we got one. So super excited,
It's beautiful.
and wait for this to go in our bellies today. So
All right, what does it taste like, Ping?
I don't know. So we'll have to find out.
So you've never had Mackinaw?
I've never had a Mackinaw before.
Okay, let's do a once over of this guy with your trout pants in the background. Trout
Yeah.
pants. Look at those trout pants. Okay, trout pants and flannel for the win. Hell
Yes.
yeah.
All right. Here we go. Moment of truth.
All right, okay.
Wow. The flavor, the tenderness of the fish. This is incredible. The
Okay.
pepper just adds a little kick to it. But this is incredible. This is probably the best fish dish that I've had in my entire life. There's so much flavor to it.
Woo! That's
Say
a
it
big one.
lot. Oh my.